Hello everyone. So today I will be teaching you guys a little bit more about the stomach. So where's the stomach? The stomach is located between the esophagus and small intestine, and it also sits below the diaphragm. It's in the upper left abdominal quadrant, and it's a J-shaped muscular organ. As you can see in the picture I have right here, the stomach is right there, and it's in between the esophagus, and then we have our small intestine, and it sits on our diaphragm. Okay, let's look at the functions of the stomach. So the stomach breaks down food mechanically and chemically using gastric juices. So the mechanical digestion, this churns food to break it down, and our chemical digestion uses enzymes and acid to break down proteins. The stomach also converts food into chyme, which is a semi-liquid mixture essential for digestion, and then it also prepares food for absorption in the small intestines. Secretions of the stomach, which are gastric juices. So the gastric juices contain hydrochloric acid, which also stands for HCl, pepsinogen, which converts to pepsin, mucus, and intrinsic factor. So let's look at the functions of each secretion. So for our hydrochloric acid, this kills bacteria, denatures proteins, and creates acidic environment. For our pepsin, this starts protein digestion, and it's also activated by acidic pH. Mucus protects stomach lining, and then our intrinsic factor, this absorbs vitamin B12 in small intestines. And then to the picture on the right up here, this is just another picture that shows like food being broken down. We have then our regulation of stomach secretions. So this is controlled by our nervous and hormonal signals. So we have the three phases: cephalic phase, a gastric phase, and intestinal phase. So our cephalic phase, this is triggered by thought, sight, smell of food. Our gastric phase is triggered by food entering the stomach. And our intestinal phase, this is triggered by chyme entering small intestine. Here are just some questions that I gathered about the stomach. You guys can pause the video here, answer the questions. If you guys have any questions, you can put it below where the presentation is posted in Blackboard. But just some of the questions I have gathered are: what did you find most interesting about the stomach's functions? Do you have any questions about how gastric juices work? How do you think the stomach's role in digestion affects overall health? Have you learned anything surprising about the stomach today? And what other organs in the digestive system do you think are important to know? Thank you.